Hello and welcome. Now it's time to create our next part here. We have already completed very important sections, and the rest of the sections will take less time, I believe, and I'll be moving a little bit faster. Let's create this section or mission. Simply copy. What I can do, if you just take a look at here, the mission and the text here, I can simply copy this. Okay, instead copy, let's make a new section. And now it's time to use a different layout here. Inside this one, I'm gonna adding another container, add heading, text copy from here, activate the subheading. It looks like this. Well, when I select the heading, you can see there's no options to adjust the width of the heading, but I can adjust the width of the container here so that the content inside the heading looks like this. So it's 880 pixel. Let's make it 880 pixel. Let's change it from percentage to the pixel and make it 880 pixel. And then select the parent container again and take another container, or instead using container there is only image, we can simply export this image by selecting here and export, and make sure you have converted this image for better performance. Just select or paste the image and export WebP. Save. And take a look at here. I have selected the parent container and still it's selected, and type here image, media library, and drag this image here. Well, it's done. Let's select the parent container again and go to the style tab, add some padding globally all over the side, 20 pixel and unlink, and top should be 90, bottom should be 90 pixel. And I haven't added for tablet version here or a mobile version individually spacing here, because I hope you already know that on how much space we have added here. Now by default, when I add 90 pixel, the 90 pixel spacing is fine while using on tablet and mobile devices. As of now, I'd like to keep the same formatting on all over the places, and just change the heading, which is heading 2 to, I think I have added 38 pixel here. Yes. And we have completed our mission section here. Take a look at the background color is perfect, and let's start creating our call to action section.